Two. What is up, guys? It is AwesomeMan, and today, Adam, please don't. Okay, you didn't find all. I just started recording. Anyway, this is the official. We are playing Don't Press the Button, Part 2. Time's up. Let's see what the results are. The button. Wee. Hi, my name is Average Kid. Boing. It smells really good. Man, that's tasty. I was just kidding. This is part 1. Alright, let's begin. Good job. Wait. What? Yeah, I'm just gonna use the gravity coil. Yeah, you can try me all you want, but I'm just gonna try and get me, try and get me, guys. Yeah, try and get me, Yeah, try and get me. Yeah, nice try. Yeah, yep. Brody thought that I would fail. Yeah, you know what? Yeah, you can try and get me, but it won't work. It won't work. Oh no! Alright, well I am stupid. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! I won. Yay! Ducks are falling from the sky. Make them land. I need coins. To fix that coins. Have you heard the Double Life song? It doesn't matter to you if you get it. My detector time. Watch, do you feel bad when you lie? Watch the look on your faces. You have. That's a forbidden question. You only want me for my Robux, do you? Not anymore. Wait, you used to have Robux? Man, bro, screw this. I didn't know Seek is your friend, Adam. I don't know Seek is your friend, Adam. Oh, you're gonna fail. Ooh. Go! Mario Party reference. Let's go. What is he saying? Oh, yeah. Bruh. Ooh. Oh, no. Why I oof? I don't know, Seek. Don't ask us. It's your fault that you oofed. I think we now food. You know, I can replay the video if you like because I'm recording. Mega Sprinter, here we go. Nope. Dang, boy. Oh, he just failed. Sorry about that. Let's go! Yes! Let's go! Cross the road. Hurry, go! Woohoo! Bruh. That's okay. Nope. Bye-bye. Oh, no. I'm running! No! Get away! Please! Go away! Please go away. I don't want to go anywhere. Boing, 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 ah! Boing, 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 boing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Yay, I won! Let's go! Baldy over! Run away from Baldy! What are you doing, Seek? What are you doing? Get the coin and the diamond. What are you doing, Adam? No! No! Please! Get away! I pro catch this. Really? Nope, I'm running away. Bye-bye. Hola. Nope. Oh, come on! Deserved. Thank you, Seek. Thanks, Seek. Thanks, Seek. Super strength 10-1. You king. Are you talking to me? Are you talking to me? How did super strength 10 already get the correct pad? Guess you got lucky. I used to be lucky. GG, luck is here. Time to play oof fronts. Super strength 10 has to stop runners from reaching the end by using their traps. 2, 1, go. Boing. Nice try. Time to use my master skills. Go. Go. No! No! Are you talking to me? AFK, okay. Azura K got to the end. Are you talking to me? Ah! No, not already! Psych. I skied it. Spin. No. Go away. Get away from me, you goofy tornado. No. No. Look at that Pluto laying on the ground. Bubble wrap. Bubble wrap. Dude, this map makes me lag. I was lying on grass. I got diamond. There's no way he oofed. What? You were laying on the ground. Oh, thank God, that map made me lag. Stranded. Find logs to make a bridge and cross over. I got the third one. Only one coin? Are you kidding me? I was lying on the grass. Yep. You mean ground. He's not even helping. What is wrong with you? This guy's not helping. Shame, shame, shame. Okay, Shame the guy that's not helping. Shame the guy who's not helping. Dude, both of them are not even helping. Oh, good. How many minutes you got left? I don't know. 10 minutes. I'm recording. Yay! I'm gonna be on TV! Oh dear. All of us. The bridge wasn't built in time. I mean, 3 of us are. Yay! I wonder if he'll show his voice just like me. You, AwesomeMan, and me. Quickly! Oh, yeah, and also, if you want to join, only friends and followers can join me, but I'll make a private server so that people can join. Go! No! 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 Go! Ooh! No! Oh! He just moved on the ground. Yeah! Victory, baby! Alright. Run! Run! That house is explosive. Oh, he fell for it. Zombies are roaming around. Oh, I start. Okay. I'm a zombie. I'm a zombie, y'all! Lock and chat. Ah, you fell. Come here. Come here. Get. Bruh. How am I not getting you? Did I get you? Yeah, I got you. Ah! Whoa. Let's get this guy. No! Oopsies. No! Trap. Bruh. Bro. Alright. If this video gets 17 minutes, then I'll end the video. If this video gets 17 minutes, then I'm gonna end the video. Oh no! Bro, speaking hashtags. I had almost got someone. Oh. It's time for a trivia question. That's why. In what year? 2018? Oh, come on! Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? 1 year before I joined. Oh, 2019. I'm lagging. Officially. You did not join 2017. You did not join 2017. I checked on your account. You joined back in like 2020. Oh, thankfully. Me to 2017. Liar. I joined like 1 year before you guys. I joined 1 year after you guys. Good thing I have this so that I can skip this stage. Lol. Bro, you thought that I couldn't use a skip. Someone already. Are you kidding? Dude! I'll be back. Okay. Well, you just finished the obby. What the heck? My gravity wasn't gravitating. How am I touching stuff? Bruh. Someone just oofed right in front of me. Oh, he left. Wait, did he leave? Oh yeah, he left the game. You know what? While he's gone, I'm gonna end the video right here. So, thank you guys a lot. Thank you guys a ton for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Next video will be the last Floors Lava video. This will be the last. So the next one will be the last Floors Lava video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.